Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to get Rocket League in Steam. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first download the Rocket League app on the Epic Games Launcher because you can download Rocket League on Steam anymore. So all you have to do is to, of course, download Epic Games Launcher first. So once you download it, just click on open. And then once you open Epic Games Launcher, all you have to do is to look for Rocket League right here. And then all you have to do is to download it. And then as you can see right here, I have already downloaded Rocket League. Now to add this game into our Steam library, what we're going to do next is to go into Steam. So open Steam and then click on open. And then once you are now here, what we are going to do next is to go into the bottom left corner of the screen, and then you will see this add a game. So we're going to click on that, and then we're going to click on add a non-Steam game. After that, in this part, all you have to do is to look for Rocket League. So just scroll down until you see it. So if you did not see Rocket League right here, what we're going to do next is to manually add it. So we're going to click on browse. And then in this part, all you have to do is to look for the Rocket League application. To do that, all you have to do is to go into this PC and then click your driver and then go to program files and then look for Epic Games. And then once you see it, just double click on it and then click on Rocket League and then click on binaries. Click on this folder and then you will now be able to see this application. So all you have to do is to double click on it. And then as you can see, we now have this Rocket League in our list, and then make sure that it is checked and then just click add selected programs. Once you do that, if you go here on our library, you will now be able to see Rocket League and then you can now play it inside Steam. So that is basically it.